It looks so good. This fucking tree here is just shitting over both my cars. Fuck you, tree. Dude, they're fucking sweet. It's weird too, cause like, they're so skinny. They're not wide tires at all. It's not as hard to get in with this side impact bar as I thought it would be. I thought it was gonna be really challenging, but then again, I'm not exactly old. But oh dude, I love the tires. I love them so much. They look so good. And now when people see the car, it's like alright, because like before with just the light bar, it was like like what's he going for? But now it's like, okay, we know. Now we know. Fuck dude, they're so badass. Still have no dash. But you know, I mean, I got a little bit of time before we go to the desert again. I'll have something. The stock dash probably will not go back in, only because it'd be a nightmare to do on my own, which is what would end up happening. I'd have to do it on my own, and I'm good. I'd rather make something simple and, you know, be good. Alright, so there's not really a lot of dirt around where I live, so I'll go to this canyon where there's a little bit of dirt, and we'll catch up there. Alright. And just like that, we're here. This is literally like all the dirt. Like, that's it. So, you know, not really off-roading. And then over here is just this huge fucking canyon. A lot of cars like to come through here, a lot of tuner cars that, you know, bikes come through here a lot too. This is more of a canyon for like driving, because it's not too bad, it's alright. There's definitely better ones, but this one's not too far. So that's what's nice. I hear something coming up. What is it? What is it? Oh, it's a fox body? No way! That's nice. Fox body. I haven't seen a fox body out here. I've seen some weird shit out here, but not a fox body. But, oh my god, guys. Look at, I mean, you can see how skinny the tire is. Sort of. Like, they're not wide tires. I actually have quite a lot of camber in the front. Probably have to adjust my camber plates. My Technic toy tuning. I think that's what it is. Really fucking nice camber plates. I went big on those. But went real cheap on the coilovers. They're just regular tine, whatever. They're not, you can't even see them. No, nothing special. Guys, he turned around. This thing is sweet. Sounds really good too. Stick, of course. Why would it not be? Very nice. So yeah, just a quick little video showing you guys the tires. I got them a couple days ago, and we didn't have to cut anything to put them on. The fender is still intact 100%, and we didn't have to beat anything inside the wheel well. I didn't have fender lining to begin with, so it was literally just put them on and they were good, which was just awesome. I had to get tying coilovers. That's what was in my last roll cage video. I had to get those. I only put the front ones on because the rears were fine. They don't rub on anything, so we're good there. So yeah, so if you like this video, you know, leave a like, comment, let me know what you guys think about the tires down below, and yeah, hit that subscribe button to see more off-road content with a 240.